What was one effect of Oklahoma's success? A. It encouraged future musicals to unify story, song, and dance. This matches what the passage explains. The final paragraph says its success reshaped expectations for what a musical could be, influencing decades of productions that followed. Earlier, it was noted that every element of Oklahoma was designed to serve the story. That shows that its effect was indeed to encourage future musicals to take the same approach. This is a strong match and likely our answer, but let's take a look at our remaining choices just to be sure. B. It led to the end of musical theater reviews. The passage never says reviews ended, only that Oklahoma was different from the review style and more successful. As reviews likely continued to exist at the time, or at least can't be proven to have stopped then, this choice can be marked off. C. It caused audiences to reject dream ballet sequences. The text says the dream ballet was innovative and helped reveal character emotions, but there's no mention of audiences rejecting it. This choice can be marked off as well. And D. It catapulted Agnes de Mille's career to international fame. While Agnes de Mille is mentioned as the choreographer of the Dream Ballet, the passage doesn't discuss her career beyond that moment. This choice can be marked off, and we can mark our original answer, choice A, as our final answer.